Each patient transport should be as smooth, comfortable, and safe as possible. To ensure a patient-friendly service, in addition to providing the appropriate transport option, we also offer an all-inclusive bed-to-bed service. On the day of the mission, a ground ambulance or a rescue vehicle picks the patient up and takes him to the airport, where he is immediately transferred to the ambulance plane. After landing in the destination country, the patient is again transported from the airport to his destination in a ground ambulance. This ensures efficient care is provided at all times. Since the entire transport takes place on a single stretcher bed, there is no need to constantly switch beds, guaranteeing the patient's safety. If a loved one wants to be with the patient, he can accompany him during the entire patient transport, from the starting point to the airport and vice versa after landing in the destination country. You do not have to worry about unnecessary waiting times or lengthy lines at the airport, since passport checks take place in the vehicle itself. Thus, the patient must carry all important documentation with him. Of course, our trained and experienced medical team is with the patient during the entire patient transport. Doctors and paramedics, aided by state-of-the-art medical equipment, provide treatment and care to the patient during the journey. A bed-to-bed transport is one of our standard services. While you can organize the ground transportation yourself if you want to, we will be happy to take care of this organizational effort for you. If you are interested in a bed-to-bed patient transport, you can contact us at any time. We are here for you round the clock, even on Sundays and public holidays.